Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to sell tickets on TickPick using iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the TickPick app on your iPhone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on My Tickets or Tickets at the bottom of your screen. Here you will see all the event and tickets you currently own. Find the event or ticket you want to sell and tap on it to open the ticket details. You will see an option that says Sell Ticket. Tap that. TickPick will show a suggested price based on similar tickets, but you can adjust it if you like. Enter the price you want to sell your ticket for. Double check all details like seat number, date, and time. Once everything looks good, tap List Ticket for Sale. Your ticket is now available on TickPick and available for buyers to purchase. You can track your ticket under My Tickets to see if it's been sold. When someone buys it, TickPick will handle the transfer automatically and you will get paid safely through your TickPick account. And that's it. That's how you sell tickets on TickPick using your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.